Good day everyone. Today our group will present the database design of our influencer content planner system. This database design helps manage influencer posts, campaigns, sponsors, platforms, and hashtags for marketing activities. Throughout this presentation, we will explain the case scenario, the business rules, the normalized tables, and finally show how every table directly complies with the business rules. Our main goal is to prove that our design is consistent, efficient, and free from anomalies. In the case scenario, the influencer content planner system is designed to, number 1, track influencer posting across multiple platforms. Number 2, manage campaigns and sponsors without redundancy. Number 3, support multiple hashtags per post. Number 4, maintain platform-specific scheduling details. And finally, ensure data integrity and avoid anomalies. The challenge here is balancing flexibility, because influencer posts across different platforms with hashtags and sponsors with consistency, which means we must avoid repeating information unnecessarily.
The system is governed by a set of business rules to make sure all data is structured and consistent. First, influencers can post on multiple platforms. Each post can include multiple hashtags. A sponsor may be tagged in one or more posts. Posts are scheduled with platform-specific formats. And lastly, sponsor and platform data should only be stored once to avoid redundancy. These rules serve as the foundation of our database. Every table we created exists to satisfy one or more of these business rules. Later, we will connect each table directly back to the rule it enforces. Now let's move on to the normalized tables. Our first normalized table is the influencer post table. It includes post ID as the primary key, influencer ID and campaign ID as foreign keys, plus attributes like post title, post date, time, likes, comments, shares, and engagement rate. This table is the central fact table. It connects influencers, campaigns, and performance metrics. By doing this, it prevents redundancy because we don't repeat influencer or campaign data within posts. It also directly satisfies Rule 4 by storing platform-specific scheduling details such as date and time, and Rule 1 indirectly through its link to the influencer table.
The post hashtags table exists to handle multiple hashtags per post. It uses post ID as a foreign key and stores hashtags separately. This design directly enforces rule number 2, which are each post can have multiple hashtags. Without this table, hashtags would have to be stored in a single field or repeated across rows, causing anomalies. By separating them, we ensure unlimited hashtags per post, avoid redundancy, and make analysis easier, like tracking which hashtags performs best. The influencer table stores influencer details once, using influencer ID as the primary key and linking to platform ID as a foreign key. This design satisfies rule number 1, since it allows influencers to post across multiple platforms. For example, if one influencer works on both TikTok and Instagram, we don't repeat their details twice. Instead, we store their profile once and connect them to platforms via platform ID. This prevents redundancy and ensures consistency if influencer information needs to be updated.
So here, the platform table stores platform information, platform ID, and platform name. This directly enforces Rule 5 because instead of writing platform names repeatedly across influencer and post records, we store them once. This avoids inconsistencies like IG, Insta, or Instagram. It also supports Rule 4 because the influencer post table links to platform through the influencer table, which ensures posts follow platform-specific formats and schedules. And here, the campaign table contains campaign ID, campaign name, theme, and sponsor ID as a foreign key. This table enforces Rule 3 and Rule 5. One sponsor can run multiple campaigns and each campaign can cover multiple posts. By isolating campaigns, we avoid repeating sponsor details and keep campaign themes consistent. For example, if a campaign themes changes, we only update one row. This structure avoids anomalies and ensures that sponsor to post relationships are properly maintained.
The sponsor table stores sponsor ID and sponsor name. It fully enforces Rule 3 and Rule 5 because sponsors can appear across multiple campaigns and posts. By storing sponsor data once, we eliminate duplication. If a sponsor changes its name or details, we only update it here. And all campaigns linked to that sponsor are updated automatically. This ensures data consistency across the system. Business Rule 1: each influencer posts on multiple platforms. This rule is enforced through the influencer table linked to the platform table. The influencer table stores influencer details once, while platform ID indicates which platforms they are active on. The influencer post table then links each influencer's content to campaigns and posts. This means an influencer can be connected to Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube simultaneously without repeating their details. This structure avoids anomalies while ensuring flexibility for influencers across platforms.
Business Rule 2: each post can include multiple hashtags. This is handled by the post hashtags table. Each post ID can have multiple hashtags linked to it. Instead of storing hashtags in a single field, they are separated into rows, which complies with 1NF and prevents anomalies. This structure allows posts to use unlimited hashtags while keeping data consistent and easy to query. For example, analyzing which hashtags are most effective. Business Rule 3: a sponsor may be tagged in one or more posts. This is achieved by the sponsor table linked to the campaign table. The sponsor table stores each sponsor once, while campaigns link sponsors to multiple posts. This design ensures sponsors can appear in multiple campaigns and posts without duplications. If a sponsor detail changes, we only update it one place, which cascades to all related campaigns and posts. This prevents redundancy and enforces consistency.
Business Rule 4: posts are scheduled with platform-specific formats. This is enforced by the influencer post table in combination with the platform table. The influencer post table scores post data and time for each post, ensuring proper scheduling through platform ID. Each post is tied to a platform, ensuring compliance with the platform's format or requirements. This setup means a TikTok post can follow short video requirements, while an Instagram post can follow image-based rules, all managed systematically without redundancy. Business Rule 5: avoid redundant sponsor and platform data. This is enforced through the sponsor table and platform table, which stores sponsor and platform details once and reference them by ID. This eliminates duplication, no more repeating Facebook on Sunscreen X across every row. Instead, the system references IDs, making updates efficient and avoiding inconsistencies. For example, if Facebook rebrands as Meta, we only change it once in the platform table, and it reflects across all influencer posts automatically.
We are in the slide 15. So the ER diagram illustrates the relationships between all tables in the system. The influencer post table connects to the influencer table through a many-to-one relationship, while each influencer to a link to a platform in one-to-many relationship. Influencer posts also connect to campaigns in one-to-many relationship, and each campaign is tied to a sponsor in another many-to-one connection. Finally, influencer posts are linked to post hashtags through to one-to-many relationships. Taken together, this diagram confirms that all five business rules are addressed, with every table serving a unique purpose is eliminating anomalies, preventing redundancy, and ensuring overall data consistency. In conclusion, our database design for the Influencer Content Planner satisfies all five business rules. Every table was created to solve a specific problem, whether avoiding redundancy, supporting multiple hashtags, enabling multi-platform posts, or managing sponsors and campaigns efficiently. With this structure, the system is normalized to third normal form, free from anomalies, and scalable for future growth. And that's all for today. Thank you.